Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi Shinkansen Sakura and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
Super fancy. It does. So fancy. Yeah, how to eat your meal. All about it. Oh, wow. Oh, that's the fanciest. You're fancy.
Gabby, how do you like your little sleeping hole?
It's very comfy, and I feel like I'm in the secret clubhouse in a treehouse, and I love it. It's big enough. It's perfect.
This place is actually surprisingly spacious. Pretty dope hostel, Nagoya.
Yeah.
Cozy. Maybe even Christmassy. Lounge-tastic.
Oh my goodness. We just hit Mandrake, and I think our bags are gonna be fuller. Oh my goodness, there's more things. Oh. That's what you wanted, right? And you were looking for Bomberman more than anything. There's so many, it's kind of like overwhelming and crazy. A little overwhelmed. There's a Thunderbirds game.
Start signing up. So
How do you feel about sweet potato?
oh my god, yeah.
Oh.
It'd be easy to spend a lot more there.
Yeah.
So we'll go back to them later.
Yeah.
Spend more.
Yeah.
Rushed my companions to an open mic in Nagoya. It's a mad rush, trying to get the right train to the right place. I got there with enough time to sign up, but I was pretty far down on the list, the open mic performers. So in order to catch the train, make sure we can make it back to our hostel, we had to go before I could play. But there's still an opportunity, still a silver lining. There's another open mic in Tokyo I'm going to try and hit. Hopefully that one works out.
I'm gonna say Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohayou gozaimasu. The last few moments here in Nagoya, and it's funny, the reason we came here was because I was attempting to play that open mic again, but I gotta say, very pleasantly surprised with how much there is to do in Nagoya. There's a lot to do in Nagoya. I feel when you're looking at touristy places to stop, the name of the city doesn't often pop up, but I recommend checking it out. There's a lot of cool stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and follow and click and enjoy. And yeah, see you next time. Peace out.
So raise your glasses, shake your asses, and then on me up on cheese, and then only your masses. To take command of the crowd.